again. This time we are doing the G1 Colors Ratchet. So it's going to take another little while to reload. Oh, or not. So here we go.
Hit him hard and hit him fast.
Well said, Ratchet. So this is G1 Colors Ratchet, because originally Ratchet was white and red instead of just green. So I like the way that they've stuck to that. So he's red, and so he's a red and green Ratchet. So that's really nice. Get it out. Yeah, he's actually a pretty fast climber. So he's the sort of best one to have for climbing. Right, Ratchet's weapons consist of one fully automatic pulse blaster, that overheats pretty quickly and then cools down, and he launches a sticky grenade launcher, and these ones do explode. And if you hold down, it charges up, and then it will launch a barrage of 3 grenades. True to Ratchet being a medic, his power, or his sort of special ability, is to initiate a healing field. And his weapon is still the same buzzsaw. So that thing you can see spinning, I'll see if I can zoom in on it, is Ratchet's buzzsaw. Right, and now Ratchet's vehicle mode is still the Hummer. He does fire sticky grenades in this mode, but that does overheat pretty quickly as well. Yeah, so not really much else to say. Next up, it is Stealth Bumblebee, as I like to call it, Wasp. Yeah, so again, thanks for watching.